Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. Today we're going to be making a delicious Vindaloo.
Me and me mum and me dad and me gran and a bucket of Vindaloo.
Like and subscribe, and let's get you started.
I was born ready.
To start off, we're going to be making a curry paste. So the paste is going to be 6 teaspoons of Kashmiri Chilli Powder. Now if you don't have that, I came up with a solution.
And I was just like, no problem.
3 teaspoons of hot chili powder and 3 teaspoons of paprika. It should give a similar effect.
Hey, you know who lives in this house? A great big phony!
Now we're going to go with 2 teaspoons of coriander,
If you don't love coriander,
You can get it.
3 teaspoons of cumin, 4 cloves, 4 cardamom pods, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, one tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, 10 cloves of garlic,
yes, 10. Measured with my heart.
7 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 2 cups of water. Blend that all together. Tip it over your meat. So you should have chuck beef around 500 to 800 grams, diced. Pour that over, wrap it up, bang it in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight, and let it marinate. Next, we're going to make our curry sauce. 1 onion. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of ghee. If you haven't got ghee, use butter. I'm going to melt down the ghee, pop in the onions, garlic, ginger. $10 curry leaves, 1.5 teaspoons of black mustard powder. Again, it's hard to find. If you can't get it, just use regular mustard powder. That's what I did. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 cups of beef stock. Get it all nice and simmer it together. I'm going to blend it up and pop it straight back in the same pot. Bring this up to simmer. Pop in our beef and the paste all together and let that simmer away for a good couple of hours.
Oh yes, it won't be long.
We're going to be serving this with Pilau Rice. So again, we're going to be using 25 grams of ghee or butter if you haven't got it, 1 white onion, 3 centimeter stick of cinnamon, 4 crushed cardamom pods, 2 cloves, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 bay leaves, 300 grams of Basmati Rice, and 600 ml of boiling water. Melt the ghee, pop your onions in, soften them up a little, cinnamon in, turmeric, bay leaves, cloves, everything else, let it simmer away for around 12 to 14 minutes. If you can see, just here, most of the water's already gone. The rice will still be slightly wet, so we're going to pop the lid on, take it off the heat, and just let it absorb the rest of the water.
Absolutely perfect.
To serve, rice in, curry on, and fresh coriander garnish. Also, we've got some roti bread there, some mint yogurt dip. I'll put the link for that up in the corner. Hope you enjoyed that one, team. Give it a crack. Let me know how you go with it and how you feel afterwards, and I'll see you in the next one.
Ta-da and farewell.